might affect the final result?
I don't know, but let's watch and see.
Directly and indirectly, it might psychologically have an effect.
Whether they like, they postpone to next year. The minds of Nigerians are set. We want a change, and we'll go in there and cast our vote and choose who we want to run Nigeria.
No, it will not affect, but it will only give in the time and opportunity to perfect some of the lapses they discovered.
It might, because if for example, take for example, people who are travel for a long distance to go and carry their voting, coming back and still go again, some might not even be able to.
It's good because so many people travel to their different areas of registration to vote, and many of them may have been back to their destination, so it might not be so easy for them to travel back again.
It should be our best interest because we know how we do things in Africa, in Nigeria. We normally use money to buy everything. You can see what happened in some of the primaries.
Like those that travel from far distance now, they spend money. When they come back now, for them to go back to be a problem if they don't have money.
What I see that there'll be a drop in the number of people voting.
Somebody that already had the mind that I want to go and vote, given such situation, you may be discouraged.
There's no way to not affect, even the credibility. Because left to me, many people not vote, and now we are just hearing a lot of rumors, bribing here, bribing and all those stuff. Nobody knows what is happening. Politicians, they are too desperate. We are just praying for the best, and they should not let us, the country, go into war. Because what we are hearing now, different news, is frightening. And the election in other countries, not like this. Now, everything in Nigeria, always problem. I don't know why.
Yes, this decision will give the final result because now they have done a room of giving room for the other opposition party now to work extra mile and to know the weakness of them. And I think that is the final stage of it because that gives the opposition now to work hard and got every other necessary thing they need to put in place.
We're expecting to have this election on the 23rd, and the mind of the people is set. And we want that change, the better change.